last, we're now here at the Vatican City. Hello, good morning guys. How are you? And welcome back to Mama Quatang's channel. For today's video, we are starting up with a breakfast. Look at our setting. We have the omelette.
Where are you?
In Rome.
Vatican City.
Vatican City. We're gonna explore Vatican City today, but before anything else, mag-breakfast muna tayo. Tingnan nyo, meron tayong omelette, and then meron tayong cappuccino and croissant. So we are here now at the main entrance of the Vatican City.
Let's go.
Let's go. We're now here in the Vatican City. You know what, guys? This is our long time dream to visit Rome and to visit Vatican City. Hey, at last, our long time dream to visit Rome and to visit Vatican City. So we are here now at the St.Peter Square, and that is the church. Papa Q here, and this is his long-time dream to visit Rome and to see the Vatican City. So we are here right now in front of the church. Look at that. Oh my God, I'm so blessed to be here. I am right here by the door of the church here in Vatican. And look at that. The ceiling, the architectural, it's so beautiful. This is beautiful. So pretty. Look at the details of the ceiling and the altar. Yes. Oh my gee, oh my goodness, this is pretty. And the floors, the details, look at the details of the floors. Up, and to the ceiling. Look at the details. Up. And on this corner, there's again the ceiling. The post, the wall, very beautiful. On this side, this was built thousands of years ago, and all pure gold. And all and everything and the ceiling are pure gold. So we are going underground church, the old church. So we're going down now to the underground church, the old church in Vatican City. So this is it. So we are now right here at St. Peter's Dome. We are now right here at St. Peter's Dome. Look at that. Down below. And the walls. Yeah, what's the details though? Made of.
Detail.
Very beautiful. Hey guys, after 600 steps up, on top.
Nice.
Nakakapagod.
Wow.
Okay guys, this is the top view after 650 steps. Nakakapagod. So kailangan pag may travel kayo in preparation, go to the gym, kailangan maging handa sa mga 650 steps. Ito yung other side of Rome. We're still on top after 650 steps. Finally, nakalabas na din kami from the St. Peter's dome. And then after 650 steps up, overlooking, andun kami doon sa pinaka tuktok, andyan, narating namin yan sa after 650 steps. Okay guys, ito yung pinaka-favorite. This is my favorite spot in this church. We are now here at the main altar. St.Peter Square, and that is the Church of Vatican City. Okay guys, we're done here at the Vatican City, St. Peter Square, and look at the line from there
To enter the church.
to enter the church. So my number one tip for you is to come early. Wake up early and come early at the St. Peter Square at the Vatican City.
Pila pa yan guys, pila.
Okay guys, finally nagugutom na kami at may Jollibee pala dito sa Rome. Finally, nakarating na rin kami sa Jollibee sa Roma. Oh my God, chicken joy. Rice, yeah, ako din. Okay guys, finally, andito na yung mga orders namin. For me, is a spaghetti and chicken. And chicken tenders. Extra chicken.
That's so much wine for my mom. She doesn't drink.
Yeah, just put
I switch.
a little bit.
Okay, I'll put it a little bit here.
And going to.
Tell me stop.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it.
Hey guys, good evening. We are here at an Italian restaurant. So we're trying tonight the authentic Italian.
St.Peter.
And then we are
Bruschetta.
still having our appetizers.
And your wine.
And the wine. What kind of wine is this? Ay natin, we will try the mussels.
It's nice that one, right?
This is good.
Yeah, I like that.
Bonissima.
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 Guys, this is how you eat the mussels with the bread. Dip in the bread. Okay guys, our food ready for dinner. So what did you order? What did you order then?
Seafood linguine.
And you, what's your order?
Calamari for me.
Okay, and
The
yours?
same for the greenie.
Sinugba.
Tonight we are trying the authentic Italian dinner. And let's wait for Papa Q, the winner, and the winner, grilled fish, the Italian dessert, and this is the tiramisu.
Panna cotta.
And this is the panna cotta.